Hi, I'm Jessica Shalloe with FloodGate Medical, and I'm back from the Windy City and here today to report on all of the buzz that I captured at this year's NASS annual conference that was held in Chicago. This was my second year at NASS, and it was a fantastic show with over 300 exhibitors and countless live demos and educational sessions. It was so great to see all of the familiar faces as well as learn about all of the new and emerging products and technologies in spine. There were countless exciting trends on the trade show floor, such as new and improved expandable cages, disruptive new robotics, imaging, navigation technologies, innovative minimally invasive techniques, and last but not least, there were some truly groundbreaking AI and AR technologies. One of the biggest innovations that I'm excited to talk about today is Augmedics and their X-Vision product, which is an augmented reality navigation system. I had a chance to put on the headset and experience firsthand how this incredible technology allows surgeons to see the patient's anatomy through the skin and tissue as if they had X-ray vision, all while being hands-free. This disruptive technology rapidly is advancing the minimally invasive procedures and technical competence in the surgical workflow. The opportunities are endless for spine surgery with Augmedics and their incredible AR technology, and I'm so excited to watch them continue to create change in the OR. Another impressive technology company that I'm excited to highlight is PatientIQ. PatientIQ's scalable and user-friendly platform is enabling spine surgeons to deliver better quality of care with the collection and analysis of patient outcomes. This technology maximizes clinical and operational workflow by automating the data collection of patient-reported outcomes. These workflows provide surgeons with the proprietary analytics that help identify best practices and areas of opportunity to best monitor patient progress, predict patient outcomes, and most importantly, improve overall care delivery. Another emerging spine company to watch and an impressive innovation is the Sabre technology with Elevation Spine. Their Sabre C technology is the first FDA-approved product that's advanced and different approach to the traditional spinal fusion. While a traditional fusion utilizes plates and screws to fixate the spine, Sabre C's highly efficient procedure remains minimally invasive with its robust and versatile implant by utilizing a unique curved spike, which eliminates the large workspace that a straight screw would require. It was designed to improve patient outcomes by providing surgeons with a high-tech yet extremely simple single-step approach to the spinal fusion procedure. Lastly, it was great to catch up with our friends over at Intrinsic Therapeutics. With 5 years plus data of clinical data and over 8,000 patients implanted, they are continuing to do incredible work in the spine market. They're doing this by creating a new standard of care with their unique product, Barricade. Barricade is the first FDA PMA-approved bone-anchored implant indicated for reducing reherniation and reoperation after the lumbar discectomy, which is the #1 most common spine surgery in the nation. As you can see, there wasn't a shortage of advancements throughout the spine space at this year's show, and I'm so excited to follow the developments of these devices and technologies and watch them continue to improve patients' lives. Let us know what I missed or what you're most excited to see transform in the spine market in the comments below, and I hope to see you at next year's NASS.